Hello friends, do you know what VLSI companies are there in India and what they do? Stay tuned and I will walk you through these details. Welcome to Waferank. Waferank is into a mission of bridging the gap between colleges and industry. We help students to various streams to make the first step into VLSI. We all know there are many VLSI companies in India. Most of them are in Bangalore, but some are in Noida, Hyderabad, and other cities as well. Let's walk through the details now. VLSI product companies in India. Intel and AMD are into desktop, laptop, server processor, graphical processor, and range of state-of-the-art 5G, 4G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi chips. They are also into other segments. We have Nvidia, which is into graphical processor, but also into other areas. We have Qualcomm, MediaTek, Google, Apple, Samsung. They are into mobile processor and range of high-speed modern chips like 5G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and router. VLSI product companies in India. Broadcom is into memory for data center and 5G and other high-speed chips. Micron is a memory giant. When you buy RAM, SSD, etc., there is a 90% chance that it comes from Micron. Facebook Meta has started with data center chips. Western Digital is also in strong and other areas. SK Hynix is a memory giant. Then we have companies like Microchip, NXP, ST Micron, Texas Instrument, MaxLiner, Analog Device, on Semi and Infineon, who are analog companies focusing on solar, automobiles and industrial grade products. Marvell and Rambus are into high-speed links. Cisco is into networking chips. Linux is into FPGA, Knolex is into audio, and Sony is into TV processor and image sensor. Then there are IP companies who are into product licensing, meaning they design, develop and sell to other companies. Ultimately, all the chips which are designed need to be manufactured. These are the list of few companies who are into the fabrication. Pure semiconductor fabrication companies are TSMC, Global Foundries, SMIC, XFAB and UMC. Some companies like Intel, STM, Micron, Samsung and most of the analog companies have their own foundries too. When you are hunting for a job in VLSI, product companies are not only the ones. You can target more than 100 service companies too. The big ones are TCS, Infosys, HCL, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Synopsys Design, UST Global, etc. Then there are emerging companies like Moschip, Merafra, Signoff, Insemi, Excelmax, Lead IC, Lead SOSC. Thanks for your time. You can call us or communicate using WhatsApp. You can also mail us. You can like and subscribe us in YouTube. You can also follow us in LinkedIn for entry-level job updates. Goodbye from Waferank, your first step into VLSI.